Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ow. Talk to him. I mean, sometimes you got people going against you and you just got to go above and beyond all that. Let's go.
Hey, it's Bill, back in the shop. I've been waiting on this box for a week or so from RC Mart. You know, this came all the way from Hong Kong, and you can see it's definitely been through the mail. But I'm super excited about what's in here. It's going to be the start of my new project. I can't wait to open this up. Before I do open this up, I want to give a couple shout outs. I normally don't do shout outs, but I'm going to give a couple shout outs. First one is to RCVOODOO for hooking me up with Highway 1 RC and getting me my bumper stickers. If you haven't seen RCVOODOO's channel, check it out. He's done really cool work with Jeeps. He 3D prints accessories, makes accessories. I think he's even got his own eBay store, so check him out, RCVOODOO. Big shout out to Highway 1 RC, especially for the bumper stickers. These guys are killing it out there, doing rig reviews and crawling, just great stuff. I mean, it's just upbeat. They're doing great stuff for the whole RC community. Big shout out to them. Check them out, Highway 1 RC. Another shout out to Rick Scale RC. Rick's a great guy. I actually won some of Rick's stickers, and in return I sent him some of mine. If you haven't seen his channel, check it out. He's done great work with the Jeeps. He did a hard body like this one. Does metal fabrication, makes his own accessories. Just, I mean, great stuff. So check his channel out, Rick Scale RC. And RC Trailcats got some of my stickers from Rick, and in return he sent me a couple of his stickers, so I appreciate that. Like I said, this is going to be my next project, start of it. I'm super excited about this, so let's crack this open and see what I got. Alright, this is what I've been waiting for. This is the first I'm looking at it. To start off with, I got a set of Xtra speed frame rails. These are SCX10II frame rails to start out with. This is a Xtra speed aluminum forward adjust servo and battery tray mount, and this is what I'm looking for right here on the card. This is the aluminum CNC and alloy 1/10 scale V8 engine 2-speed for Axial SCX10II silver. This is what I've been wanting. Whew. I've been wanting to do a front mounted engine build. I'll kind of give you some layout of it. And I saw this on RC Mart. And I just had to have it. This is what I was going to base my next build on. Yes. Very scale looking. But it's supposed to mount right up into the SCX10 and mount right to the skid plate, so it'd give you a forward mounted, motor setup, something like this. I don't know what body I'm going to use yet, but I know I wanted the motor up front, so I'm going to start with this. And oh yeah, this is actually the newer version of it. The first version I saw, the upper half of the bell housing didn't come off, so I think it was really hard to get the gear mesh right, or if you had a problem you couldn't get to it. But this one here, you can take the upper half off so you can get to your gear mesh. And oh yeah, but that's what it is. I got other boxes coming. I'm just piecing it together. I'm going to use a lot of extra speed parts as much as I can, but you know, I can't use everything extra speed, but I'm going to use as much as I can. But that's what I got. It's pretty heavy. Aluminum. I mean, all the gears inside are steel. Here's a little high-low because it is a 2-speed. You know, I've never had a 2-speed, so I don't know what to expect. But it's really pretty nicely detailed. And it looks like probably in the future they're gonna have probably add-on parts for it, maybe some headers, intake, but you know, just to get going with a scale engine, you know, that's pretty good. But yeah, like I said, I don't know what body I'm going to use yet. I'm going to try to do a lot of extra speed parts, but you know, it's not going to be all extra speed parts for sure. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this, getting it together, getting it started. My next video, I'll probably, you know, at least have part of it mocked up. I've got some more parts coming with some links I'm going to try, and just some cool scale stuff maybe for my shop while I'm building it, so we'll be able to check that out. But just about it for now. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to start putting this stuff together and getting it mocked up. It's going to be awesome. I do want to say again thanks to all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, viewers, commenters. I really appreciate everybody who watches my videos and comments. It's what makes it fun for me. So that's about it for this one. See you on the next one. Appreciate it. Bye.